Hey guys, welcome to my video, and today I'll be doing my Warrior Cats book collection. I already did this but the audio got corrupted or something and I lost it, so I'm redoing the whole thing again, so that's fun. Alright, first I got Warriors Into the Wild paperback old cover, and I'll probably mess up with saying this because I got a lot of the same books in different types of covers, so if I say the wrong one, I'm sorry. I got Warriors Into the Wild hardcover, old cover. Into the Wild new cover paperback. Fire and Ice old cover paperback. Fire and Ice new cover paperback. Forest of Secrets old cover paperback. Forest of Secrets old cover hardcover. Forest of Secrets new cover paperback. Rising Storm old cover paperback with Firestar and Sandstorm. Rising Storm hardcover old cover with Firestar and Cloud Kit or Cloudfall, I don't remember. Rising Storm new cover paperback. A Dangerous Path old cover paperback. A Dangerous Path new cover paperback. The Darkest Hour old cover paperback. Darkest Hour again in old cover paperback. And The Darkest Hour new cover paperback. Okay, next I have the New Prophecy. I got Midnight in paperback old cover. I have Midnight again in paperback and old cover. Got Midnight in hardcover, old cover, and it's glossy. I got Midnight in new cover paperback. I got this weird combination of Midnight and Moonrise. I got it when I was supposed to order Moonrise in hardcover, but I got this instead. I guess it's pretty cool. I don't know. I got Moonrise in paperback, old cover. I got Moonrise in paperback, new cover, which is kind of messed up. I got Dawn in old cover paperback, which has this really bad narrative. I think all the books in the New Prophecy that I have are all basically in oh my god, I can't speak, sorry, are all in a pretty bad condition. I got Dawn in old cover, hardcover, which is also glossy. I got Dawn in new cover paperback. I have Dawn again in new cover paperback because this one was all, I got water on it, so I got a new one. This one's not too much in better condition, but oh well. I got Starlight in old cover paperback. I got Starlight in new cover paperback. I got Twilight in old cover paperback. Twilight in old cover hardcover. Twilight in new cover paperback. Sunset in old cover paperback. And Sunset in new cover paperback. Alright, now I have Power 3. I have The Sight in paperback, old cover. The Sight in old cover, hardcover. The Sight in new cover paperback. The Sight in, Dark River in old cover paperback. Dark River again in old cover paperback. Dark River in old cover hardcover. Dark River in new cover paperback. Outcast in paperback, old cover. Outcast in hardcover, old cover. Outcast in new cover paperback. Eclipse in old cover, hardcover. Eclipse in new cover paperback. Long Shadows in old cover paperback. Long Shadows in hardcover, old cover. Long Shadows in new cover paperback. Sunrise in old cover paperback. Sunrise in old cover hardcover. And lastly, Sunrise in new cover paperback. Now I'm going to show you my Omen of the Stars collection. I got The Fourth Apprentice in paperback, old cover. The Fourth Apprentice in hardcover, old cover. The Fourth Apprentice in new cover, paperback. Fading Echoes in old cover, paperback. Fading Echoes in old cover, hardcover. Fading Echoes in new cover, paperback. Night Whispers, sorry. I got confused for a second. Night Whispers in old cover, hardcover. Night Whispers in new cover, paperback. Side of the Moon in old cover, hardcover. Side of the Moon in new cover, paperback. The Forgotten Warrior in old cover, hardcover. Oh my god, guys, sorry. The Forgotten Warrior in new cover, paperback. The Last Hope in old cover, paperback. The Last Hope in old cover, hardcover. And The Last Hope in old cover, new cover, paperback. Sorry, I keep on messing up on lots of things. It's like difficult to say. I don't know how to explain it. Yeah. This is my Omen of the Stars collection. Sorry if I'm awkward, because I am. I'm also not used to speaking this much, so that's also a reason why I'm stumbling with my words. Okay, so now I have Dawn of the Clans, Sun Trail in paperback, old cover, and this was actually one of my first Warrior Cats books, aside from Into the Wild and Midnight. I got them in a weird order, but I read them in the correct order. I got Sun Trail in old cover, hardcover, Sun Trail in new cover, paperback, Thunder Rising in old cover, paperback, Thunder Rising in hardcover, old cover, Thunder Rising in new cover, paperback, The First Battle in old cover, hardcover, The First Battle in new cover, paperback, Blazing Star in old cover, hardcover, Blazing Star in new cover, paperback, Forest Divided in old cover, hardcover, Forest Divided in new cover, paperback, Path of Stars in old cover, hardcover, and Path of Stars in new cover, paperback. Okay, now I have A Vision of Shadows, which I'm very happy to do because this one is only in new cover, so I don't have to get all confused with saying all the new cover and old cover. So I got The Apprentice's Quest in hardcover. I got The Apprentice's Quest in paperback. Thunder and Shadow in hardcover. Thunder and Shadow in paperback. Shattered Sky in hardcover. The Darkest Night, in hardcover. The Darkest Night in paperback. River of Fire in hardcover. And The Raging Storm in hardcover. I got the novellas. I have The Untold Stories, which includes Holy Leaf's Story, Misty Star's Omen, and Cloud Star's Journey. Tales from the Clans, which includes Tiger Star's Fury, Leaf Crow's Wish, and Delving Silence. I got Shadows of the Clans, which includes Mapleshade's Vengeance, Goosefeather's Curse, and Ravenpaw's Farewell, which was one of my favorites because Ravenpaw is definitely one of my favorite characters. I got Legends of the Clans, which includes Spotterleaf's Heart, which, yeah, nothing to say about that. Pensar's Choice, and Thunderstar's Echo, which I also really enjoyed because I don't remember much of it. I don't think anyone really does, but I know that Thunderstar and Lightning Tail were together, and I really do ship them, so yeah. Now I have the guides. I have Battles of Clans, Code of the Clans, Cats of the Clans, Secrets of the Clans, Enter the Clans, which has Secrets of the Clans and Code of the Clans binded together, and the Ultimate Guide, which is basically just a big version of Cats of Clans. I think it includes a little bit more information. Now I have the mangas. I have Gray Stripes Adventure, the full book with all the 3 mangas together in full color, which has The Lost Warrior, Warrior's Refuge, and Warrior's Return. Then I have the Gray Stripes Adventure separately. I have The Lost Warrior, Warrior's Refuge, and Warrior's Return. I have Ravenpaw's Path in full color, which includes Shattered Peace, A Clan in Need, and A Heart of a Warrior, and it's kind of messed up right here. I think I got order on this. I got Ravenpaw's Path with the mangas all separate. I got Shattered Peace, A Clan in Need, and A Heart of a Warrior. I got the Rise of Scourge. I got Tiger Star and Sasha Into the Woods, Escape from the Forest, and Return to the Clans. I got Sky Clan and the Stranger, The Rescue, Beyond the Code, and After the Flood. Now I'm going to show you my super editions. I got Firestar's Quest in paperback, Firestar's Quest in hardcover, Blue Star's Prophecy in paperback, Blue Star's Prophecy in hardcover, Sky Clan's Destiny in paperback, Sky Clan's Destiny in hardcover, Crooked Star's Promise in paperback, Crooked Star's Promise in hardcover, Yellowfane's Secret in paperback, Yellowfane's Secret in hardcover, and I also have another Yellowfane Secret without the jacket. I have Tall Star's Revenge in paperback, Tall Star's Revenge in hardcover, I have Bramblestar Storm in paperback, Bramblestar Storm in hardcover, I have Mothflight's Vision in paperback, Mothflight's Vision in hardcover, I have Hawkwing's Journey in hardcover, I have Tiger Heart's Shadow in paperback, and Tiger Heart's Shadow in hardcover. Lastly, I have Crowfeather's Trial in hardcover. I'm just about done showing you my Warriors collection. I know it's pretty long so far, I'm sorry about that. But I forgot to show you, I have Into the Wild, and I think this is Chinese version, in Chinese I think. I got it when I was still really into collecting. I'm not as much anymore, but I just felt like making this video. I really like this because it has like little snippets of a comic here and there. If I can find one quickly. I have no idea what they're saying, and I'm not gonna translate it in Google Translate because I'm lazy, but it's pretty cool, I guess. So yeah, I have Into the Wild in Chinese. It may be Japanese. I'm not too sure. I got it when I was hoping I'd get one of the trading cards with it, but I didn't, sadly. They're still out there, I'm pretty sure. You're able to get them, but the ones that I can easily find are worth, like, they cost lots of money, so I'm not gonna spend too much money on Warrior Cats trading cards. Not even collecting that much anymore, so. I'm just about done showing you my Warrior Cats collection again, as I said before, but I'm going to do some shameless self-promo and show you my self-made Warrior Cats Galaxy bookmarks. On the Warrior Cats Amino, I have this series called Warrior Cats Galaxy Bookmarks, and I just make a character and I put their eye color or something of their color that resembles them in the background as a galaxy. So I have Ravenpaw, Breeze Pelt with his middle finger up, yes, even though cats can't do that, so, but I don't really care. Outer Heart, I have Gray Stripe, and I don't really like this one because the galaxy kind of looks weird. I have Blue Star, I have White Storm, and lastly I have Polyleaf. My Warrior Cats Amino name is Flakestream, and just in case you want to follow me, if I figure out how to do it, which sounds stupid, I'll put the link in the description, but no promises it will work. I'm always welcome to suggestions in the comments or in the comments on Warrior Cats Amino of cats I should make. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video if I ever do make another one. I hope to make more speed paints, so to do more digital art. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.